One more question reacting to reaction type question. These are the favorite of examiners. Always asking about this exam, this type of E, and there is B, we this react with this and this. It's also the same type of question where A reacts with bromine and form a substitution. There is a substitution reaction from alkyl bromide, which reaction? Everyone know what is what's reaction. What's reaction is the Na ether what's reaction. So it's converting to gaseous form and less than 4 carbon atoms. Less than 4 carbon atoms. There is given less than 4 carbon atoms. So you have to just know what is the alkyl bromide is the head which helps you to find what's happening. So in this is the first part you understand what is the main game because as you know it's reacting from bromide and forming CH3. So what is if you just remove Br, you get the CH4, and this is the what you get. So this is very easy to find what is in the A reaction. I don't think you have to go on to what is in the dry and it's just giving you. It's just trying to manipulate. You have to just know what is where you get the product. If you get there, you don't to do all these things. Just remove one Br and you get the what is CH. These are all the tricks of the examiner try to manipulate you. You don't have to do all the reaction. Just use that CH3Br is asking. Then you have to just remove H, so you form CH4 because it's reacting with Br. Substitution reaction is the simplest. You have to just Br, you just substitute one H with Br. So I don't think this you have to form any right here all this. Simple is CH4 answer over.